Tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful style of Zara cap. So first of all, I took my, I'm using something to do my Zara cap, and you see I'm using a hard paper. You can use a carton, or you can use anything that is hard and flexible just to improvise. So now you can see I'm wearing it over my head like a cap shape, and I'm tightening the back of my head to just to get the exact round size of my head. So I'm gripping it, then I brought it down, and I'm going to be using a rubber band to tighten it at that point. If you can tighten it while it's on your head, that's fine, but however, because I'm doing a tutorial, I have to bring it down. So now I'm weighing it back just to fit it in back in my head, to be sure that the way I tied it is excellent. So if it's not tight, I adjusted it to be very tight, and you can see once it's tight, I turned it to the side so I can see what I'm doing. Then you can see I have two parts separate. So I'm taking the first part. I'm just going to take the first hand. Remember, it's a 50-50 style of Gele, so it's the two hands are supposed to be equal. So I'm just arranging it neatly so I can be so I can be able to pleat it. And now I'm forming the pleat. So basically I'm forming three pleats. So mind you, you would not want your Gele to have a lot of width and a lot of length. It should just be about the same size of mine, so that the beauty can come out and you don't need to have to hide so many excesses. So now you can see the way I pleated it. I pleated it just at the beginning, and I did just three pleats. I took it towards the end and I stuffed it into the cap hollow, the hollow of the cap, just to grip that part. Because I'm using like a small mirror, I had to go and do thorough adjustments. So you want to adjust any sticking out parts of the Gele. You can see I'm arranging the pleats neatly. So while I have done that, I'm going to turn it to the front, of course, so I can see what I'm doing, just to give the back a unique style. So basically you can see I'm spreading it out, and I'm folding it from beneath. I'm folding it from beneath, and I'm bringing all the edges together to meet at one point. Then I'm just going to pin it there to give it like a rose kind of shape. So you can see the rose kind of shape is formed. So I'm going to turn it to the front and do any little adjustment to make it perfect. You can see that the beautiful Gele is already forming like an admiral's cap, if you know what an admiral's cap looks like. So I'm just going to be doing any minor adjustments that needs it. And now you can see our beautiful Zara cap gele is formed. You can see the unique style, the beautiful back, the beautiful front. So do well to leave a like if you enjoyed this tutorial. Do well to like, do well to comment and subscribe for more.